Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a really simple raspberry ripple and white chocolate mousse. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So first off, I need 200 grams of frozen berries. Tumble them into a pot. No point using fresh because they are so much more expensive and we are turning them into a sauce, so there's going to be no added benefit of using fresh. I want the juice of half a lemon, because white chocolate can be quite sickly, so this is the perfect partner to it. It still has quite a bit of tartness, which cuts through all that richness of the white chocolate. But having said that, I do want a little sugar. 3 tablespoons. Let's get that stirred together, and as soon as the berries have thawed and it's simmered for 3 to 5 minutes, it'll be thick enough and just right, and then we're ready to proceed with the next step. So my raspberries are ready. I can turn off the heat there. Now I just need a bowl and a fine sieve, because nobody wants to be picking raspberry seeds out of their teeth all day. And just push that through. Okay, that's the raspberry element sorted. Now that can set aside and cool. I can let my chocolate cool as well, and we'll get on with the cream element. And for this I need 250 mils of double cream, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I want 2 tablespoons, not a lot again, of sugar, because the white chocolate is very sweet. And then that just needs a quick whisk. You just want it so it's soft and still luscious in with the chocolate. And this is really good quality white chocolate, the kind that comes flecked with vanilla seeds. And just fold that through the cream. Feel it firming up already. Now it's just a matter of compiling them. There's a little of that crimson raspberry sauce down the sides of the glass and into the base. Spoon over the mousse. Gently ease it in. Add a little bit more of our raspberry. And if you've got it, a few plump, fresh raspberries sit on top. And guys, that's it. That's my raspberry ripple and white chocolate mousse. There's really enough here to make 4, but since it's Valentine's Day, I think we deserve a bit of a treat, so I'm going to make 2 really large ones. These just need to go into the fridge now for about 30 minutes, up even an hour, just until they firmed up slightly, and that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give my video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new recipe. And thanks for watching.